So getting ready to replace the coolant temperature sensor in this 4.3 Silverado. Same thing with the Sierra or any other GM vehicle that use this engine. It's also in the same spot on the same generation 5.3 V8s. That's what it looks like. And what I'm gonna do, you don't have to remove this to do it yourself, but I'm just gonna get it out of the way so the camera can see everything that I'm doing a lot easier. So in order to do that, I just have this clamp here, have the clamp back here. Okay. Lean it up and just let that pivot. So in order to find it, just follow your top rad hose. This is your thermostat underneath here. And then you can see this is the sensor itself. So what we're gonna do is just pull that clip off. All right. So for this, I've already gotten it taken off, but you just want to slide your pliers down in here and kind of rock it back and forth a little bit, not hard. And that comes right up and off. So we'll just set this back here for now. Now when you remove this sensor, it is going to drain a little bit of coolant out, but with the new one, it's already got the Teflon tape on it from the factory, so I'm not even going to mess with it. But be ready for a little bit of coolant to come out, and do not do this on a hot engine. $19mm. So what I'm gonna do to minimize the mess is to just put a rag here. It's not gonna catch everything, but it'll catch some. And there is going to be a little bit of pressure, but not very much. So I got most of it. There we go. Then just throw the new one right back in. So just put everything back in place, and that's it.